Today in this video we are going to make this beautiful rose flower. Hi friends, welcome to DIY Crafty sewing channel. To make this flower, here I am taken 1 inch satin ribbon in centimeters, approximately 2.3 centimeters. This flower is made up of 25 number of petals, whereas each petal having the length 6 centimeters. For that, here I am taken total number of 25 pieces, each one having the length 6 centimeters. Now take one piece, give respect to fold as shown in the video. Now secure that fold with ball pin. Similarly prepare the other petals like this. Flower is done with 5 layers, where one layer with 1 petal, second layer with 3 petals, and third layer with 5 petals, fourth layer with 7 petals, last layer with 9 petals. Now take the needle along with thread. Here I am showing 3 petal layer. Join the 3 petals by giving running stitch as shown here. Here I am already done with 5 petal, 7 petal, 9 petal layer. The reference, here I am showing 3 petal layer. Now take the one petal and fold it as shown here and give heat touch up. Now insert that single petal into 3 layers as shown here. Now with the help of the glue, attach all the layers as shown here. In our channel we are done with many flowers using satin ribbon and foam sheet. If you are interested, please visit our channel videos. Please share the videos to your friends or relatives, those who are interested in the crafts work. If you like our video, please like it to reach the video for more people. For more and more beautiful videos, please subscribe our channel to get the video notifications. You can use this flower for hair bands, hair clips, headbands, etc. Also use this flower for the baby frocks also. But one thing you have to keep in mind, use good quality ribbon and glue for longer use. Now beautiful flower is ready. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. See you in the next video.